I'm making limoncello ricotta cheesecake squares. Okay, so that's 15 graham crackers. I'm just gonna make crumbs. You can actually buy them already ground, but I just prefer to grind them myself. Okay, into the bowl. I actually like this, instead of having a big, thick wedge of cheesecake, this is like a light cheesecake, and you get a little square, and it's just perfect. So, 1 stick of butter melted. This is really just a classic graham cracker crust, and 2 tablespoons of sugar. Okay, I'm just gonna mix that together. And ricotta gives it real body, it's wonderful. And lemon makes it lighter, really delicious cheesecake. Okay, that's nicely mixed. I'm just gonna put it in a 9 by 13 pan. Just dump the whole thing in. Just spread it out. I just want a little bit of an edge on it. And you don't want to press it too hard, just lightly. And this is my trick for making a little bit of an edge. Take a metal cup and just press it down lightly. And that way you end up with an edge, but not too much of a thick crust right in the corner. It doesn't have to be perfect. It smells good already. I think it's all the butter. Okay, this is gonna bake 350 degrees for 8 minutes, and then I'm gonna let it cool. So I'm making the ricotta filling. I've got 1 pound of cream cheese and 1 1/4 cups of sugar, and I'm putting in 1 1/2 cups of ricotta. The ricotta really gives it great flavor. You want all the ingredients to be room temperature, so it stays really nice and light. Okay, the next thing I'm gonna put in is limoncello, which is gonna give it great flavor. It's really Southern Italian liqueur. I'm gonna use 1/2 cup, which is a lot. See if I can put this in without wearing it. Just mix it in slowly. Next thing is vanilla, 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And a tablespoon of lemon zest. Perfect, right in. And the last thing is 5 eggs. Just put them in slowly so they mix in well. And that's the filling. Okay, it's perfectly mixed. Now I'll show you what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do a water bath for this. So big pan, put the crust right in, make sure it's really flat, and I'm gonna just pour the filling into it. The thing about the water bath is it keeps it from cracking, so it'll be really nice. Keeps the oven moist. I'm just gonna pour the whole filling right in. With all the, I can smell the lemon and the limoncello and the ricotta, a little vanilla. It's gonna be delicious. Just pour that in. Now I'm gonna get some really hot tap water. People think that you need boiling water for this, but I just use hot tap water. It's going into the oven, it's gonna get hot. And you want it to come maybe halfway up the side of the pan. Okay, I'm gonna bake this 350 degrees for about 50 to 55 minutes. And then what I'm gonna do is turn off the oven, let it sit for about 15 minutes so it doesn't crack, and then I'm gonna cool it. And in order to cut it, I like to chill it so you get really good squares. Can I scoot by with my lemon squares? No dessert before pizza.
So I'm gonna have you turn your pizza here.
I'm just gonna put a little lemon zest on my limoncello cheesecake squares. Limoncello ricotta cheesecake squares.
So good.
Is that good? Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers, Jeffrey.
That's the best dessert I've ever had.